Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we covered how to set up GST in Odoo, and at the end, I mentioned a pro tip about something called fiscal positions. Today, we are going to cover exactly that in just 5 minutes. So, after watching this video, Odoo will automatically switch between CGST and SGST and IGST based on your customer state without any manual selections. So, sounds useful. Let's dive in. So, for this, let me quickly explain what a fiscal position actually is. So think of a fiscal position as a set of rules that tells Odoo when a customer is from the same state, apply CGST plus SGST, and when a customer is from a different state, apply IGST instead. So instead of you manually changing taxes every time you create an invoice, Odoo does it automatically based on the customer's address. So this saves time, prevents error, and ensures 100% GST compliance every single time. So let me give you a simple real life example. Imagine your company is based on Maharashtra and customer A is from Maharashtra, same state, apply CGST plus SGST. But customer B is from Delhi, it's different state, apply IGST. So without fiscal positions, you have to manually select the correct taxes every time. So with fiscal positions, Odoo detects the state automatically and switches tax on its own. So let me show you how to set this up. So for this, first set the fiscal positions. So for this, you have to go to the accounting and then configuration and then just go to the fiscal positions. Here I had already set up my fiscal positions as intrastate and interstate. So now I will show you how to set up these fiscal positions. So first we will see intrastate, that is for in the same state. So for that we can see I had already gave my fiscal position in interstate and check this detect automatically box and select your company, and then you can see here account and product select from I, like if there is an IGST, change it to CGST, and there is an and CGST plus SGST. And now we will see interstate. So for that there is only one changing, that is like the that was changing from IGST to CGST plus SGST. Now it was will be changed from CGST plus SGST to IGST. So that's how you have to map your accounts. Now we will map these fiscal position on the customer level. So for that, just go to the customers, and here I will show you how you can map your fiscal position. Go to the sales and purchase tab, and here you will see a field that is fiscal position. Here you can select your fiscal position, that is, let's say customer A is from different state, so here select the interstate, like that. Now let's quickly take a review or take a test to test this fiscal position. So for that we have to go to the invoices and then here click on new. So that was the customer A. Select your customer A. Select your product from the catalog. Now I am selecting the product. Same product I am selecting now. So A4 quantity, and you can see that I had applied the fiscal position in third state. So it has all just automatically mapped as IGST instead of CGST and IGST. So now, so that's it for today's video. That's the pro tip for the today's video. And if you find it helpful, then please hit on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.